10. Coolest Amazon gadgets. You'll want to buy. Every once in a while, you stumble across a gadget on Amazon that makes you stop scrolling like you just discovered a cheat code for real life. You know those moments when you think, wait, this exists? And no one told me? That is exactly the feeling today's lineup delivers. These are the products that sit quietly on Amazon, not plastered all over ads. But the second you try them, they become part of your everyday workflow, your routine, or just your sense of convenience. From cutting-edge cameras to unexpectedly impressive self-care products, today we are diving deep into the coolest Amazon gadgets you will actually want to buy once you see what they can do. Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer. The Dyson Supersonic Hairdryer has this almost futuristic feel the moment you pick it up. Lighter, cleaner, quieter, and somehow more powerful than a traditional dryer without blasting your hair like a leaf blower. What surprises most people is how it manages to dry hair fast, while keeping everything smooth instead of frizzy, almost like it is thinking ahead as it works. Some assume it is just hype because it looks different, but you feel the difference immediately in how even and consistent the airflow is. The dryer stays cool in your hand, the motor hums softly rather than roaring, and the final result looks more polished without taking extra effort. It is the kind of gadget that shifts from nice to have to why did I wait so long to get this? Glasses USA Smart Reading Glasses. These smart reading glasses from Glasses USA have a quiet intelligence to them that makes them feel like a subtle upgrade to your daily reading experience. They help ease eye strain with a clean, digit-friendly lens design that keeps text crisp, whether you are scrolling your phone or reading something physical. People often assume smart glasses means bulky tech, but these look simple and natural, almost indistinguishable from normal reading glasses. What surprises you is how much more comfortable long reading sessions become, especially with screens, as the lenses manage glare and visual fatigue more gently than your usual pair. Helly Hansen Waterproof Trekking Jacket. The Helly Hansen Waterproof Trekking Jacket feels like a dependable companion for anything outdoors, whether you are heading into unpredictable weather or just like the comfort of knowing you are covered. It has this lightweight shell that manages to stay breathable while still blocking out wind and rain with surprising consistency. Some people assume jackets built for weatherproofing get stuffy fast, but this one keeps air moving without letting the cold in, making it comfortable even on long walks or climbs. The fit stays flexible, the fabric holds up well, and it has a quiet durability that becomes more noticeable the more you wear it. It is a jacket that makes you feel ready for whatever the day throws at you. Insta360 X3 Action Camera. The Insta360 X3 Action Camera captures the world with this almost magical sphere of clarity, letting you record everything at once and pick your angle later like you are directing your own memories. The footage feels incredibly sharp and immersive, giving even casual moments a cinematic twist. Some assume 360 cameras are complicated, but the interface is surprisingly intuitive, letting you capture impressive shots without needing to adjust a dozen settings. The stabilization smooths out movement better than you expect, making fast action look controlled and silky. Whether you are traveling, biking, or just experimenting, the camera turns everyday scenes into something that looks dynamic and polished. JBL Quantum 1 Gaming Headset. The JBL Quantum 1 headset wraps you in sound, so detailed that you feel almost physically pulled into the world of your game. The audio positioning is sharp enough that you can sense movement, direction, and distance with surprising accuracy, making gameplay feel more immersive and reactive. Some people think gaming headsets exaggerate certain frequencies, but this one stays balanced, adding weight and richness without drowning out smaller details. The cushion design keeps long sessions comfortable, and the noise isolation helps you stay focused even in a noisy room. It is the kind of headset that makes you appreciate how much sound shapes the entire atmosphere of a game. Logitech StreamCam Plus. The Logitech StreamCam Plus gives your videos a clean, crisp look that feels natural, even if you are not sitting in perfect lighting or the ideal background. The camera locks onto your face smoothly, keeping your image sharp as you move without drifting out of focus. Many people think higher quality webcams require complicated setups, but this one plugs in and immediately delivers a professional clarity that works for streaming, meetings, or content creation. The colors stay accurate, the motion stays smooth, and the overall look feels polished without having to adjust. Settings endlessly. It is the upgrade that makes your digital presence immediately stand out. MSI Clutch GM41 Lightweight Pro Gaming Mouse. The MSI Clutch GM41 Lightweight Pro feels almost weightless the moment it glides across a mousepad, giving you this easy precision whether you are making fast flicks or small adjustments. People often assume lightweight mice feel flimsy, but this one keeps a sturdy structure that makes every movement feel controlled rather than loose. The clicks register cleanly, the sensor stays consistent even during intense moments, and the overall feel makes long gaming or working sessions smoother on your wrist. It is the kind of mouse that becomes an extension of your hand after just a few minutes of use. Nikon Z9 Mirrorless Camera. The Nikon Z9 feels like holding a powerhouse disguised as a camera body, delivering clarity, focus speed, and color depth that redefine what mirrorless cameras can do. Every shot feels confident, fast, and intentional, even when the scene is unpredictable or moving quickly. Some assume high-end cameras demand constant tweaking, but the Z9 seems to adapt intuitively, locking onto subjects with surprising intelligence. The images come out with a richness and sharpness that make both stills and video feel almost professionally graded straight out of the camera. It is the kind of device that inspires creativity simply because it captures what you see with so much accuracy. Perricone MD Radiance Face Cream. Perricone MD Radiance Face Cream gives your skin this smooth, refreshed look that appears naturally brighter rather than overly shiny or heavy. The texture absorbs quickly, leaving a soft finish that feels hydrating without being greasy. Some people worry rich creams will feel thick or clogging, but this one blends in gently, offering moisture that lasts through the day. Over time, the skin feels more even, balanced, and calm, giving that fresh face look you usually only get after a really good night's rest. It becomes part of your routine easily, adding a little boost that you notice both immediately and gradually. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 feels like holding the future in your hand, especially the moment it unfolds into a screen that almost feels too big to fit in a pocket. The hinge feels smoother and more solid than ever, giving the whole device a confident snap between phone and tablet modes. Some people assume folding phones are fragile, but the design has matured into something sturdy and reliable, capable of handling daily use without worry. The multitasking flow feels natural, the display is bright and crisp, and the overall experience makes regular phones feel a bit limiting once you get used to having that extra space. If any of these gadgets made you think, okay, I can see myself actually using that, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which one grabbed your attention first. Your support helps bring more deep dive videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.